Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle Doodle once again. So I have had this channel for about 4 years and I have always been behind the camera. So you don't know me personally. So I thought of doing this fun tag in which I will be stating 25 random facts about me. I hope you enjoy this video. I just want you guys to connect with me. That is why I'm doing this tag. And it's not always possible to think something related to doodling only or around art. That is why I decided to do this fun tag. I hope you enjoy and do comment down below if you want me to do any other fun tag. I would definitely love to do that for you guys. So, starting on with this video. Fact number one about me is that yes, I am an Indian and particularly I am a North Indian. And many of you people guessed it right. Fact number two, yes, I am a lefty, a left-handed person, and a fact in fact that I am genetically lefty. Like my father is a lefty and my grandmother is also a lefty. I don't know about the rest of the, ancestors, but as far as I know about these two generations. Fact number three. I am not a professional artist. I have not studied art professionally. In fact, I am studying professionally law, and in an year, I will be an advocate. Fact number four. As much as I love drawing, doodling, doing something around art, in general, being creative, I love doing makeup, and not just my makeup, makeup of other people as well. Like I can grab anyone, my mother, my roommates, that can I do your makeup whenever I am getting bored. So shout out if you want a makeup tutorial for me. Fact number five, my family includes of five people in total. First being my dad, second being my mom, third being my 5-year elder brother who lives in Japan, and fourth being me, and fifth being my 6-year-old a Labrador in fawn color. Fact number six. Apart from being the stationery holder, I am also a lip balm holder. I cannot live without not having anything on my lips. Like, that's a no-no for me. Fact number seven, I have never in my life fractured or sprained any body part. I should thank God for that, but yes. Fact number eight, I always got kicked out of my class because I used to be drawing or doodling something at the back of the benches and I used to get punished for that. This is a very bad thing about schooling. We'll discuss this in some other video. But at that time, I did not know about the concept of doodling, but I later got to know that I used to doodle in my classes. Fact number nine, this is a really cool fact how I came up with this channel name. So I made a video of doodling around bullet journal and I wanted to put it on YouTube. So I knew that the video was related to doodling. So I went on Google and searched that what is the meaning of doodling, and it came up with drawing ideally. So I searched on various social media that was this name taken by anyone else or not, and that is how I came up with this name Idle Doodle. It's really close to my heart though. Fact number 10, I am not here to offend cat people, like the people who love cats, but cats scare the shit out of me, and I am a really dog person. I have been a dog person since childhood. I have been born and brought up with dogs, and I love dogs. I go crazy whenever I see a dog on street. Fact number 11, I have only one tattoo on my body, which is on my left wrist, which is an Ingus symbol in Greek, which means where there's a will, there is a way. I got this in remembrance of my grandfather. He used to say to me in my childhood, where there's a will, there's a way. That is why I got this. Maybe I'll get more tattoos. I really like tiny tattoos. That is my thing. Fact number 12, I get so cranky whenever I am bored, and I will eat the brain of the people who are around me when I'm bored, like my mother, my brother, my roommate where I live and study. So I get really cranky. I need to do something or the other productive thing to make me feel like I'm living. Fact number 13, I am a pure vegetarian. My friends and family have tried a lot to make me love non-veg and stuff. I have tried it as well, but I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of it. If there's only a crisis happening where I cannot find vegetarian food, then only I prefer to eat non-veg, but it is not my first priority to eat non-veg. Fact number 14, I hate syrups. I just hate them. You can give me 10 pills to eat, 10 tablets to eat, but my doctors also know that, just don't give her syrup. If you will give her syrup, that will only go down the sink. I just hate them since childhood. Like, my mother used to torture me when I was a child to make me drink syrups. Fact number 15. Another hobby that I have is that I love cleaning and organizing everything. I'm a bit, you can say, a bit of OCD person about cleaning and organizing. And my mother, my roommate, and the people around me, they just wait for me to come to my home and clean and organize stuff. It is very therapeutic for me. Fact number 16, I am not at all a morning person. I am a night person, and I love everything about night. Just the vibe, and most of the ideas that I get for my videos as well are in the night only. And if you see me in the morning, you would feel like a zombie is walking, and I need like 1 hour to, start my day to talk to people. I'm not that person who will be wishing you like, good morning, good morning. No, not at all. Fact number 17, malls and shops and anything related to shopping really makes me happy. Even if I don't buy anything, I really need to know what's up in the market, what is coming and what is going. I really like window shopping, and whenever I am stressed, I just go to the mall and, stroll around the mall and then return. It's just the happiest feeling. Fact number 18, I love sleeping. I feel sleeping is my escape whenever I am angry, stressed, or in a very sad mood. I just go to sleep, and I can sleep for like 12, 14 hours in a day. It's just my thing. I have a relationship with my bed. Fact number 18, I have a bird's appetite and I don't like eating. Like, eating is a proper to-do list thing for me. Um, I know all the fooders would be like, what? But I, in my childhood, used to say to my dad that why there isn't a pill? Like, you just eat a pill, you don't have to eat like whole, meal. So he used to laugh at me. Fact number 20, with God's grace, I have a really fast metabolism. I can eat a lot of junk food and still I do not get fat. A lot of people ask me that, how do you maintain yourself and everything? I don't exercise. It's just a God blessing for me. I hate gyms and I have never been to a gym though. The only exercise that I like is Zumba. That is also because of dancing. Fact number 21. I know this is a really, really weird thing, but I don't obsess over something for a really long period of time. I don't have any favorite movie, any favorite food, any favorite actor, or any favorite actresses, any favorite color. And when people ask me what are your favorites, and I just get confused because I am obsessed over one thing one week and the second week it completely changes. Fact number 22. No matter how hot it is, I need a blanket over my body to sleep. I cannot sleep without, bare body. I just need something on my body to put me to sleep. Fact number 23. I am a Piscean and I love reading about astrology, talking about astrology, and I love those videos. Like in my free time, I just love to watch all those tarot card reading videos which interpret like you choose this pile and you choose that pile. I love those videos. Fact number 24. I love candies, and if you are thinking to gift me anything on my birthday, just give me a bunch of candies and I would be the happiest kid you would know. Lastly, fact number 25, I don't like to accessorize myself. Like, even if I wear a watch, it's too heavy for me. Like, I feel very overdressed. And anyone who gives me jewelry, it's such a waste of money. Like, you should keep that jewelry. Don't give me jewelry because I never wear it. I hope you enjoyed this tag and do comment down below if you want me to do any other tag. I know this video is not related to doodling or art, but I thought it would be fun to do it. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Till then, take care everyone.